Hi, I'm Kieran from Quick Dip Pools, standing on side of a Plungie Max installation in Kieran, Mount Kieran actually. This Plungie Max sitting on site here was in a very rocky site. We had an excavator on site with a rock breaker for, gosh, almost 2 weeks breaking this hole out. Surrounding deck on two sides, flush with the ground. And in this particular Plungie Max, we've got the echo finish over the top edge, right round exposed. So that's a new feature for Plungie. The deck flush with it. It was a good way to finish the detail because we got exposed on two sides. The Max, glass pool fence obviously, and balustrading on the deck side of it. I think the results speak for themselves. So for a sloping site, if you're looking at a pool, and particularly if you want to be level with a deck, the precast Plungie range is perfect for the situation where it's in the ground, out of the ground. That combination works perfectly for a precast concrete pool. The Max fits in here beautifully.